Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making coffee bombs. They're similar to the hot chocolate bombs that have been all the rage, except these are made specifically to enhance your favorite hot coffee. I'll show you how to make the shells, fill them, seal them, and decorate them. So first we'll start off by chopping up some chocolate. Placing it into a microwave safe bowl. And microwaving in 30-second increments, stirring well in between until completely melted and smooth. Next, we'll fill each cavity of the silicone mold with about a tablespoon of the melted chocolate. I'll leave a link below where you can get your own mold. We'll use the back of the spoon just to gently push the chocolate up the sides of each cavity. Tap the mold gently to even out the chocolate. And then tip the mold upside down to release any excess chocolate. We'll clean off the top of the mold and place that in the fridge for about 5 minutes to set. We'll reinforce the top edge of each cavity with some more chocolate, because if the shells were to break, that's where it would be. And back into the fridge for 5 more minutes. When completely set, we can just easily pop those right out of the mold. And remember, if you are new to this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any time I upload a new video. Alright, let's go ahead and fill these. Today I'll be using Cool Whip topping, caramel chips, creamer, chocolate mint chips, and flavored syrup. Now for each of the coffee bombs, we'll need 2 halves of the chocolate mold. So in this first one, I'll put about a tablespoon or 2 of the Cool Whip. And sprinkle some of the caramel chips. And to seal these, we'll take another half of the chocolate mold, place it gently onto a heated pan just to melt the edges, and place it right on top of the first half. The next one I'm going to fill with creamer, and the mint chocolate chips, and seal it. And then finally the hazelnut syrup. Now be sure to store these in the refrigerator until you're ready to use them. After all your coffee bombs are filled, place some more melted chocolate into a piping bag, snip off the tip, and we'll drizzle the chocolate across the top. On this first one, I'll put some more caramel chips. The next with red sanding sugar. And then finally green melted chocolate. Once they're all completed, place one of the bombs into your favorite mug and pour over your favorite hot coffee. And there you have it, coffee bombs. They're so cute and they taste amazing. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe down below, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.